Bourn Koch supports, services, and builds our machine tools right here in Rockford, Illinois. Our 130,000 square foot facility is the former Rockford Machine Tool Company, and we're proud to carry on the tradition of American machine tool manufacturing. Bourn Koch was founded by Larry and Lloyd in 1975. They started rebuilding and remanufacturing machine tools for Sunstrand. Eventually, they began building specialty and custom machine tools for unique applications, which is still an integral part of who we are today. The backbone of Bourn Koch is our machine shop, producing core components for our new machine tools and parts for the classic American iron in your shop. Your Devlins, Bullards, Blanchards, and Barber Colemans. Our team of skilled machinists manufacture parts to tight tolerances, so you can do the same, whether it's for a new machine or an old war winner you're still running parts on. These are the same machinists manufacturing parts that keep your machines from the 1950s and 1960s running strong. Our machine shop also serves as a proving ground for both remanufactured and new machine tools. We cut gears for fellow shapers on a Bourn Koch Hobart. We mill the parts for your Blanchard on a CNC Devlin. We run what we build and support in our machine shop. Our machine shop can also be a source for contract manufacturing, offering both short and long-term capacity for your gear manufacturing and precision grinding needs. We know our machines and their processes because we make our parts for you, on them, every day. Remanufacturing, rebuilding, and building new machine tools takes considerable skill and knowledge. We still practice the art of hand scraping to restore your machines back to the same quality as the day they were first put into service, whether that was 10 or 70 years ago. That experience and knowledge extends to our electrical assembly team. We build our panels in-house, working as a team to deliver a quality control system to your new or remanufactured machine tool. It all comes together to make a precise piece of American-made technology built by hand by our team to help you tackle your most challenging manufacturing applications. Special machines and custom solutions are in Bourn Koch's DNA. We work hand in hand with our partners to deliver solutions that drive value. Whether it's a full custom design, reimagining a classic American-made machine, or rebuilding a piece of iron to give it new life, our team can work with you on the right solution. Quality is built to everything we do at Bourn Koch. Our inspection lab features both new technology for ensuring we meet our standards of quality and many manual gauges to make sure the part for your classic American iron are to the specs they were first manufactured to. We know what was in your machine on day one. Our machine tool library contains every print, drawing, layout, and diagram for your machine. There are over 2,500 years of engineering expertise in our machine tool library. We use this knowledge to help keep your machine running for decades more, and for inspiration to develop new technologies. Blanchard, Fellows, Bullard, and Springfield are just a few of the famous names of the American machine tool lines we service and support. Our dedicated team of customer care specialists will work with you to find the right part for your machine to get you back up and running. The inspiration for our new machines often comes from the core designs from our library of machine tools. We've reimagined and re-engineered classic machines like Blanchard grinders, Barber Coleman gear hobbers, and Springfield grinders to become something new with features designed for today and tomorrow's manufacturing challenges. Our newest machine, MT Cubed, is the culmination of 3 key technologies in manufacturing: grinding, turning, and milling, all in one machine. With the addition of a virtual Y-axis, the machine can tackle a wide array of parts to tight tolerances. MT Cubed is a flexible solution incorporating our split spindle system. A massive robot allows for the entire spindle to be changed, tailoring the right tool to the job. It's endlessly customizable, making the machine your solution for nearly any manufacturing challenge out there. Special machine tools are our passion. Let us help you make what you're passionate about.